¿qué tal amigos? Aquí yo en un nuevo capítulo de este juego llamado Life Strange. Comenzamos. Pam, 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 pam. Aquí está acá la pintura aquí.
Fuck this shit.
Ow! That
Eh,
hurt.
Damn, I better rewind.
Pobre gordita. Vamos a ayudarle. Gorda. Ya, gordita.
Alyssa, move your head.
If you insist, Max.
Now that's what I'm talking about. I actually helped somebody.
Una heroína. Victoria. A ver. Hola zorra, espero que te haya gustado esa foto porque será la última. ¿Cuál foto? ¿Cuál foto? Ah, la que tomé. Y yo tengo leer que hablar pedazo de cosa.
Get lost, hipster. I'm not doing any interviews.
I could almost feel sorry for him if he wasn't such a serious dick. Poor Juliet. I always get a little giddy when I think about having my own room here.
Ya, vamos a entrar aquí. Bueno. Esto aquí.
So don't think I'm blind. I see everything here at Blackwell. Do you understand what I'm saying?
No, and leave me alone.
¿Qué hago? ¿Qué hago? ¿Qué hago? Fotos.
You can't fool me. I know everything about this school. I cover the waterfront. So you better figure out what side you're on.
Please, leave me alone. Hope you enjoyed the show. Thanks for nothing, Max.
Man, I should have stepped in between Kate and David. That asshole was so over the line. I could rewind and try something different.
Otros, ya. No. No siempre hay que hacer lo obvio. El destino trabaja de maneras misteriosas. Una ardilla. Okay.
Man, I should have done something. That guy was an asshole.
Aquí
I
está
don't get
Julia.
it. How could Zach and Victoria do that to me?
Juliet still looks upset about Zach and Victoria. I don't blame her. Hi, Juliet. How are you doing?
¿Cómo
Oh,
vas?
hey, Max. Sorry, I'm still screwed up.
¿Qué has hecho?
Sorry you had to find out about Zachary that way. Or anyway.
Better sooner than later. Now that skank Victoria won't be laughing behind my back anymore.
¿Qué?
Have you talked to Zach yet?
Mr. Badass Football Hero is such a chicken shit. He said he sexted Victoria as a joke. Ha ha. I think Warren wants your attention.
He usually does. Hang in there, Juliet.
See you around, Max.
Ok. Mm, ¿Qué es esto?
I wonder how long before Samuel has to repaint that.
Está mi enamorado. El boy pequeño.
Yo, Max, check it out.
No hay nada más. A ver. El bote de basura no hay. Bueno, 20 pues. No,
Come on
vamos.
over here, please.
Nah, tú espérate.
Look at Warren in his Wayback Machine. He's a brave man.
Mirarlo.
And there's Warren. Did he actually buy a used car?
What up, Max? How are you?
Here's your flash. Thanks.
No problem.
Luego,
Check out my new wheels.
Cool.
A la
Very
pañe.
old school.
1978 to be exact. Now we can go to the drive-in. There's one in Newburgh just 60 miles away.
You're in the wrong time, Warren. But then, so am I.
You okay?
It's been one strange fucking day.
Man, I saw that Victoria didn't take down that pic of you on Facebook. Major bitch move.
No te preocupes.
No worries, Warren. I took a sweet shot of Victoria I can't wait to share.
Oh, score one for Team Max. It would be so karmic to see her ass clown face all over the interwebs.
I guess she does deserve it for all the shitty things she's done to people here.
By the way, I saw Daniel's sketch of you online. Not bad, but I could do a much better job.
¿Sabes dibujar?
You can draw? I thought you were blinded by science, not art.
Art is science. Music is math, etc., etc. I'd put Stephen Hawking against Picasso any day.
Hardcore. So you must use a computer to draw.
Of course. I'd love to tweak one of your selfies with some cool graphics.
That might not suck. I'll let you know.
So, did you get a chance to check out the movie booty on my flash drive?
Yeah, thanks. You had some cool shit on there, from Akira to Twilight Zone, which seems apropos today.
I consider myself a pop cultural pirate connoisseur.
That does sound better than thief.
Ha ha. Make sure you watch Cannibal Holocaust.
Sí, ya la he visto.
Seen it. I was more disturbed by all those emo vampire movies in there.
Can a sensitive high school boy love sensitive vampires too?
So you're sensitive.
Ouch, that sounds awful the way you say it.
Pues la más larga, Faster, Pussycat Kill Kill. Yeah.
No, I was impressed you had faster Pussycat Kill Kill.
Russ Meyer was a genius of black and white. Plus, babes with breasts.
Who would beat your sensitive ass down?
If I was lucky. Speaking of hip and fast, we should cruise out in my car to an actual movie this week. But you seem distracted.
¿De qué le voy a hablar? Vamos a hablar.
I need to talk to somebody, just to get it out of my system.
Dr. Warren Graham is in the house. I won't even prescribe you any meds. Tell me everything.
Banda de
For
chismosa.
reals, Warren, this is between you and me, not social media.
Don't insult me. Max, go on.
I had this incredibly bizarro experience in Mr. Jefferson's class today. I mean, life-changing. Have you ever had a dream so real it was like a movie?
Max Caulfield, right? You're one of the Jefferson's photo groupies?
I'm one of his students.
What the fuck ever? I know you like to take pictures, especially when you're hiding out in the bathrooms. You best tell me what you told the principal, now.
¿Qué? ¿Y ese qué?
Answer me, bitch!
Sí, esa clase de picudo. No te dije la verdad.
Anything
I
to
told
say,
him the
huh?
truth. A student had a gun.
No, you told him I had a gun. That's why he dragged me into his office.
And did what, give you a stern lecture?
Nobody lectures me. Everyone tries, though. They try.
You should
Gringo
talk to
loco.
somebody.
El
Nathan.
gringo loco.
Do not analyze me. I pay people for that.
Cálmate, cálmate, bro.
Worry about yourself, Max.
¿Qué sé? Puede llamar a la policía o dar un paso atrás. O sea, a la policía. Para que se
I
suba.
could call the police.
Do it. The Prescotts own the pigs
Get
here.
away from her, dude!
Oh.
Hey, leave him alone.
Nobody tells me what to do. Not my parents, not the principal, or that whore in the bathroom.
Ándale, ándale.
Max? Chloe?
No way. You
No
again.
way.
Go! Go! I got this!
Get in, Max!
Ey, ¿no vas a dejar ahí?
Your punk asses out of there now!
No.
Don't even try to run. Nobody messes with me. Nobody!
Estamos pendientes. Ya te vi.
Man, Nathan Prescott is messed up and dangerous. This day never ends.
Ya nos fuimos y
Oh,
dejamos ahí
thanks,
con la
Chloe.
bronca al otro.
After 5 years, you're still Max Caulfield. Don't give me the guilty face. At least pretend you're glad to see me.
I am seriously glad to see you.
¿Y esa qué?
Oh, and thanks, Chloe. It makes perfect sense I'd see you today.
¿Sabe que se
Yes,
conoce?
it's been that kind of day. So what did that freak want with you?
Pues es la que del baño, ¿no? ¿Qué? No tengo ni idea.
I have no idea. I know he's a Prescott.
And an asshole. Your friend really stood up for you.
Warren? Yeah, I owe him big time.
Y lo voy a tener que
You're not the
compensar
only one in debt.
al
And
Warren.
you're already causing trouble.
I thought it would be quiet here. Feels so weird to be back.
So I guess Seattle sucked hard?
Sí.
I guess. It was cool, but I felt kind of lonely, out of my league.
I would think you'd fit right in with the art school hipsters.
Right. You look like the cover of hipstergirl.com.
At least you're still a smartass.
That's why I'm here.
Please, girl. You came back for Blackwell Academy.
No entendí lo que me dijo, pero bueno, vamos a decirle que por Jefferson,
Only for Mark Jefferson. He was a pretty famous photographer in the 90s.
para ser
I've always
interesantes.
loved his work.
Those that can't do, teach. I'm glad you found a good reason to come back.
Don't you think I'm happy to see you?
No. You were happy to wait 5 years without a call or even a text.
Ok, ok. Lo siento. Sí, lo siento.
I'm sorry. I know things were tough on you when I left.
How do you know? You weren't even here.
I didn't order my parents to move specifically to fuck you over, Chloe.
You've been at Blackwell for almost a month without letting me know. Enough said.
I just wanted to settle in first and not be such a shy, cliche geek. I totally would have contacted you.
I bet you don't use these sad excuses on Mr. Jefferson. Don't use them on me, Max.
Me cachó. Tranquila, tranquila. Ah, entonces son como viejas amigas, ¿o qué? ¿Qué? ¿Me caí? Ah, cachó. Se tiró a la camioneta.
Broken. Oh, man, are you serial?
Wow, haven't heard that one in a while.
Not everything changes. Except my camera has officially taken a shit.
My step-douche has a boatload of tools. Maybe you can fix it at my place.
I need very specific, tiny tools.
Nerd alert. My stepdad has a fully stocked garage, and he actually is a tiny tool. Welcome home, Max.
Pam, 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 pam.